Passing through now. It's a lovely two-tone. Couldn't quite catch the numbers on that one. Past 800, not sure where it's going to. On the passing service, probably from Penzance. Welcome guys, back to another video, and for my first video on a new series that I'm doing called Around Devon. And so all the other trains that all the other stations I've spotted at for the route train spotting are being changed to Around Devon, this new series that I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you on to the next train. And also in this video today we'll also be seeing services from obviously Great Western Railway, as you saw from the first clip, and maybe a few cross-country trains, including a nice cross-country HST which is coming through today. So we're approaching now with what you didn't hear, which was a very nice two-tone, is what have we got here? We've got 150 263. It's just coming. This one's the service to Exmouth, delayed by around 3 to 4 minutes. We'll see this one when it goes out. Okay, about to depart now is the 1433 Great Western Railway service from Paignton to Exmouth. This one calls at Ex St Thomas, Ex St David's, Exeter Central, Digby and South, and Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Limpstone Commando, Limpstone Village, and Exeter. Limpstone Commando and Exton are request stops. Nice little one tone on the way out there. Don't know if you could hear it. Weird sound of jet skis in the background. There it is, going around the corner. Okay, approaching now, we've got the heavily delayed, I think, I believe it's the 1440, I think, delayed by around 12 minutes to Paignton from Exmouth. Someone calls that Dawlish, Warren, Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. I'll see that one when it comes up. Parting now. On the rear, 152 233. I will put on the screen just about now what the front was, because I didn't catch it. So next stop for that one's Dawlish Warren. Right, passing through now, we've got cross-country HST service from Plymouth to Edinburgh, delayed by around 10 minutes. I might have started recording a bit too early. There you go. Here he comes. Should hear a tone in a second. Oh, never mind. That's 166. That's on the service to Exmouth from Paignton, on a fast service from Exmouth to Paignton.
Oh, where?
Here comes. So I was mistaken. This one's actually coming from Edinburgh. I keep thinking it's either way. This one's delayed from the past train going to Paignton. Cross country HST. That number there I also didn't catch. I forgot to look at it again. I was just shocked because I thought wrong again. This one's from Edinburgh to Plymouth. On the front, 43,378. And on the rear, 43,321. 43,321 on the rear. That's on the service to Plymouth from Edinburgh. Okay, passing through just in a moment. As you can see over there is a class 800 service from London to Penzance, I believe, or Plymouth. Here he comes. That's a lovely two-tone. 800,319. That was a fantastic two-tone. That was a lovely and long two-tone. That's good. Passing through now, we've got class 150 on a fast service from Exmouth to Paignton. Two 388 on the rear, and I forgot what was on the front. Off that one goes. Okay, passing through now. Which I don't know what it is. I just listened to the announcements. There's a nice tone, don't know if you heard it. Two-tone, class 800. Double. On the rear was 800, I think 800,011 on the rear. Approaching now, we've got 1523 Great Western Railway service. That's one-tone service from Paignton to Exmouth. 15248 on the front, something else on the rear. On the rear is 15243. So this one when it goes up. The passing now. 15243 with something else on the front, which I already said. There are people on the tracks as well. As I just said, they're running off now. There are people at the crossing over there, and they just saw them run off before the train came. Next stop for that one was like St Thomas. Approaching now, we've got passing service. Yet again, I don't know it. Service from either Paignton, Plymouth, or Penzance. It's a cross-country Voyager off to Edinburgh. Cross-country Voyager off to Edinburgh, probably from someone's just throwing some rubbish out the window. Probably from Penzance or Plymouth, off to Edinburgh. Passing through now on platform 1, we've got the GWR HST, probably going to Penzance. That's where they normally go. They're passing through now on platform 2. There it is, Class 800. Lovely tone. 802-106. That was 802-106 on the service to London Paddington. Right, approaching now. Got the 1544 and the last train of the video to Paynton from Exmouth. Formed of 1 class 150. Should just come around now. There it is. (152.46). And on that note, I'm gonna finish the video. See you all in the next one. Bye.